Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Paradise here on Tioman Island. Guys, today we've got a wonderful day full of adventure, and today we're going to be going scuba diving in Tioman for the first time on this vlog, and I'm super excited about it. We're going to be teaching my friend Charles here and also my friend Heather, who's over there. We're going to be doing the Discover Scuba Dive, so I'm going to be teaching the first entry course level for PADI, which is a DSD or a Discover Scuba Dive, which is just a basic experience more than a course, but we're really excited about it. And we're going to get up some other fun adventures today as well, some snorkeling, maybe go for a little walk, maybe go for some bike rides, stuff similar that we did yesterday, but really excited about it. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell, and if you enjoy this one at the end, make sure you give it a little thumbs up. So here we are, breakfast has been had, we're now going to go for a little snorkel again. Just got to make use of the ocean because the ocean is just like glass at the moment. Obviously we're going scuba diving soon, so we're going to be getting in the pool and teaching the guys a couple of skills. First of all, let's go and see if we can see any cool fish. The tide's right in, so maybe we'll see a turtle. We're going to have a little look, see what we can find, and yeah, let's go. So that was a really nice snorkel. Like honestly, it's so clear out there, it's so nice. As you can see in the video, it's crystal. We're now heading over to the pool session, and I'm going to do the pool session with the two guys and teach them the basic skills, just like the first sort of skills that you learn on your open water course. Hopefully they're going to do the open water course afterwards, and then we're going to head out to the ocean, get on the boat and go out to the sea, see if we can see some cool stuff. Now Heather has said she's worried about getting attacked by a shark, which is what the title of this video is about. So hopefully we're going to see some sharks, hopefully see some turtles, basically see some stuff that they're going to enjoy, but she's really anxious about being like attacked by a shark, even though the sharks are like the size of me, and that's pushing it. But yeah, so let's go scuba diving. Guys, we're not doing the open water course. We're going to find Heather a shark. She's actually worried she's going to get attacked by a shark.
Yeah, I'm scared. It's okay.
She is small, but there are sharks not going to get you, don't worry. Right, so we're just putting the equipment together, giving them a quick briefing. We're going to jump in the pool, show them a couple of skills, and then we're going to hit on the boat. And I've got sun cream in my eyes and it's stinging like mad. Right. Right, so we finished the pool session. The guys were all ready to go on the boat, so we're going to be going on the boat in about half an hour, 40 minutes. And Ella yesterday got some really bad sandfly bites, so we need to get the venom out. So that was really so. I had to like squeeze them all out. It was gross. Just give them a little wipe with alcohol as well. Anyway, guys, scuba diving time now. So we're gonna head on down to the boat, head to the dive site, and finally go diving.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave. The night is still young. Stay in the light. I want you to see it. Just for tonight, I want to believe. So keep on coming closer. Keep me hanging on.
So guys, we're back at the room now. Our mini bar set up. Guys, how was it? How was the diving?
It was so good.
Enjoy yourself?
Insane.
Yeah?
We didn't die.
It was amazing. Amazing.
So she didn't get attacked by a shark.
Luckily, yeah.
That was all she was concerned about. So now you've got to the end of the video. Sorry that clickbaited you again. But she didn't get eaten by a shark, so that's great. Guys, thank you so much for watching another one. Make sure you stick around because we've got another one coming up tomorrow. That's going to be equally as amazing. And I guess I'll tell you, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.
On the